It was definitely a smooth process. I had to do a blood test and that's all it was. And that was done at the appointment there and then. I gave my consent and it was easy as that. My parents also had to do a blood test, but they don't live in the same town, city as me. So they got a blood test from their local GP and it was posted back to the eye hospital that I am seen in. And the process itself was really, really simple.
I went about getting the test simply because I knew about how to do it through my volunteering with Retina UK. So I knew that I could approach my GP that could then refer me straight for genetic counselling and testing at our regional centre. The actual smoothness was a bit of an issue because although I was able to have the testing and the counselling at the same time, the blood sample that they took away for testing turned to be actually, unfortunately, an impure result. So I had to have it done all over again, which meant that I had to get the blood sample done, but at least I was able to do that with the GP, so I didn't have to go to the regional centre. So it was relatively smooth, but not as smooth as I would have liked.
Yes, it was. They said that it would be very beneficial for myself, my brother who is living with RP as well, and my parents to visit and have the blood test, speak to a counsellor and find out exactly what gene is responsible through their genetics process.
Yeah, for me, as I mentioned, I went down the private option. So for me, it was, I met Maria Masagi at Moorfields. It was the first consultation. There and then on the minute, I called my grandparents and within 5 minutes, they gave me the authorisation to go ahead with the tests. That day, within 2 weeks, I had the results back.